Do you know most students lose their marks in IELTS even before the audio start in the listening? And the reason is the major issue that the students feels while doing their listening exam. They directly jump up to the listening paper. Even they don't know the format, they don't know anything what exactly happened in the listening paper, how the audio begins, what kind of things are going to be the part of the paper, and how we have to solve the paper. They don't know anything. They think that कि जिस तरह से हम normal listening को सुनते हैं, we have to do the same thing in the listening paper of IELTS. So what exactly the thing you need to do here is what I suggest. First of all, you should try to listen some casual conversation, the realistic conversation. Second thing, you must be familiar with the test format, that what exactly the paper format is. Third thing, when you are going to be the part of the listening section, you just at least try to give us some thumbs up to yourself that yes, now I'm beginning with the section number one. This is what happening in the section number one, and then in the section number two, what would be the content in all that. And the most important thing, the fourth thing that I would like to discuss today is all about don't be panic in the listening section. If you miss even a single question, just try to focus on the next one. If you got panicked just because you have lost a 1 marks and you think that I couldn't do anything extra right now, so this would be a biggest reason of losing your regular basis listening marks. So I suggest you try to solve this kind of like issues that you guys are facing right now. For getting 7+ bands, be the part of our training session where we are teaching you online and even the physical classes. So be the part of our training where we are teaching IELTS by sitting at your home and even our institute. So the choice is yours. Now our admissions are open, so just register yourself as soon as possible.